Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This is a rewind plan with me for the week of January 21st. Oh god, I feel like I'm slowly but surely catching up. I don't know. I keep feeling like that and then I'm like, wait, no, it's like a month later. Anyways, I chose to do another kit by GP Sticker Studio this week. I did one last week, the week before this too, but I was just like in the mood. Like I did the kit last week and it was so easy for me to plan with. I just like pulled out another one for this week and I was like, yes, I'm ready. It works. It's just like, for me, they're just really easy because they just have a lot of stuff that, like all the stuff that I kind of need, they have it. And I don't have to think about it too hard and like go searching for a ton of stickers, which to be honest, right now, my desk is such a mess and my sticker organization system is like, there isn't one right now. I used to have one that really worked for me like a year ago, but it's gone and I need to like redo it, and I'm like slowly but surely kind of planning to do that and collecting things to organize with. But I'm kind of like, anyone who knows me well in my personal life will tell you I'm either the messiest person in the world and there's a mess everywhere, or I'm so hyper organized it's unbelievable and there's like I'm like 0 or 60 and that's it. But anyways, okay, back to the kit. I think the kit is called Sophie. It's kind of a great anytime kit. I think it could also work really well in fall, or I don't tend to use a whole lot of winter kits. My winter kits tend to be more like this, I think, where sometimes the colors might be a little bit darker, but not like, I don't use a whole lot of like snowflakes or anything, but like back to work kind of kits remind me, or like shopping kind of kits often remind me of fall or winter. So, but really, again, good anytime kit. This kit has like some really gorgeous blush tones that I love, and I really like the dark red. You could see I have some of the Simply Gilded washi on the side there. Oh, I just bumped it out of the frame, but the like leopard animal print kind of washi, I really wanted to pull that in. There's a like kind of hints of it in this kit, like a animal pattern. You can see in the box that I used up top in the upper left hand corner on her skirt, there's like this really subtle, really beautiful animal print, and I'm just loving like little subtle hints of animal print right now that's like really understated, not like big tacky animal print, but like little hints of like muted animal print kind of. So I was like so excited. I was like, okay, I have my animal print washi from Simply Gilded. This is going to be fantastic. I'm going to make it beautiful. I actually cut the clip out, but I tried putting it at the bottom with the bottom washi. Like it wasn't going to happen. It is so orange and like not cute with the spread and just the wrong vibes. That the Simply Gilded washi is definitely very like summertime cheetah print, and this is more like subtle whatever. Anyway, so okay, moving on to the day by days. Again, this week I chose to do the style that I've been doing the past few weeks in this planner, which is more of the like the boxes kind of being scattered wherever I want them, instead of put specifically like in the Erin Condren boxes. So I put all today headers up at top. I've been liking using script headers from the kit too, so that's been really cool. But anyway, so on to Monday. It was Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so I marked that with a sticker up top. I can't remember who that sticker is from. I'll link it on my Instagram for sure. And then I had the day off. That's from Rose Colored Days. I marked that, and I don't remember what the new card is for. I think I got a new company credit card or something like that. And then I also just took some time this day to like do a lot of planner stuff. So I filmed, I edited, and I uploaded. I don't think it was one video. It was probably a couple of different videos, but I just like was able to sit down and do all that stuff that day. And then I'm taking the patterned header. It's kind of like it's a glitter, well, I almost want to say faux foil, but it's really just like a glitter header in a very, very hot gold from the kit, and then layering it over the full box. And then at the bottom, I'm marking that I went to the grocery store and I meal prepped this day. I think I actually did a lot of other stuff this day. I remember being really, really productive this day, but I can't remember what else. I obviously didn't have room to mark it in my planner. Yeah, But anyways, okay, so on to Tuesday. Some of my coworkers that don't work in my office, they're kind of from all over the country were in town, and they're people that I work really closely with. So they've actually come to town a couple times the past month, and I don't know if you watch my Instagram hauls, but one of them came back again, and he's one of the ones who gave me like all the makeup and skincare products. So anyways, they were in town for the first time this month. I layered a suitcase from Paper Blush Bar over an arrow from the personal kit to mark that, and just like that kind of dictated a lot of what my work schedule looked like this week. So that's why I put that in there. And then I put the box down with the glitter header again, and then I'm marking that I had 3 meetings. I haven't been so interested in putting like exactly what those meetings are. I've been more interested in like putting them down as a whole. So I used a quarter box, and then that paper clip is from My Newest Addiction. And then I'm trying really hard to use the Simply Gilded. I'm like, maybe if I just use like a little bit of the Simply Gilded washi, it'll look fine. But it totally didn't. It looked so orange and out of place. So you saw I cut the clip, but I just pulled that up real fast. And then I had a work dinner this night. We went out to a really nice restaurant and had great food. It was with all the people that were in town and more people from my team, and it was super, super fun. So it was kind of like towards North Beach in San Francisco, which I think North Beach has like some of the best food in San Francisco, truly. So yeah, so that was really nice. I had a really great time. I put a little martini glass from Sticky Sloth Designs to mark that. I have a coupon code for her that's linked down below. I also have a coupon code for GP Sticker Studio. I do PR for her. It's Lauren PR20. If you're interested in this kit or any of her stuff, that's also down below. I'm marking laundry with a washer, I think, from Magic Prince Co., but I'm also marking that I got home late with that Chloe bag that I love, that someday I will have, like, and I will have that bag someday. Not anytime soon, but someday. But anyways, what I was going to say is I think I probably did laundry in the morning because I remember coming home and I was, like, pretty buzzed, and I probably didn't do laundry when I got home at night. So I think it was probably a morning thing that I just wrote it down at the end of the day. And then, okay, so on to Wednesday, I'm working one of my coworkers' 2-year anniversaries with the company. I think I like went and bought cupcakes or something like that. I don't remember. So I used a little sticky note from the kit, and then those balloons are also from the kit. And then we had like a town hall kind of event for my company. So we like kind of had a half day of work, and we got bussed out to a location and, you know, just had like a big kind of like, here's what's going on at the company kind of meeting. So I marked that with a half box from the kit, and then the bow is from Nikki +3. After that, we had like a ish happy hour. I don't know, I had a glass of champagne, and literally they were giving away like a bunch of free gratis, and I took the gratis, and I was like, okay, time to go home, bye, and got out of there. And I think that what does that look like? It's like a pina colada kind of cup. It's from the drink stickers from Planning World that I'm obsessed with, that I use all the time. Again, I have a coupon code for her linked down below. And then also on Wednesday, I marked a lazy night with a Fox and Pip Girl. Thursday was a really fun day. We have events at work a lot where like brands will come in and they'll throw some sort of event for us, and we'll do something fun, and generally they give us like a free product or something. We actually had 2 of those on Thursday, which was awesome. Normally there's one at a time, obviously, but the first one was for Estee Lauder. We had a double wear event. That's their foundation, so we got matched for their foundation. They had a very cute like donut wall, and it was super cute. So I marked that with some eyelashes from Simply Watercolor Co. And then Gucci had a event. It was so fun. It was probably one of my favorite ones I've been to. They like had a florist come in, and they had like all of these flowers that were like all very different, and greenery that it was all very different, but it was definitely like all went together, and like Gucci styled it, and it was amazing. But you got to like make your own bouquet, and then you brought it back to your desk, and it was so fun. I had such a good time at that event. And then they had all these like little like macarons and cute kind of desserts. So I just marked that with a flower half box from the kit, and added some balloons, and then that bow that I put over it is from Sticky Sloth Designs. And I think that the like event was super cute, and I like how I marked it. I think it looks really cute too. It was just like a very fun day. But I also had a ton of meetings this day. I was like running around like a crazy person this day, my coworker and I. So I marked 3 meetings with a coffee cup from the kit, and then that foiled heart I layered over it is from Tasseled Planner. And then I had to do something with a credit card, so I marked that with the credit cards from the kit. I cut off whatever the script was, and then I layered them over a flag. And then that evening I went to a spin class. So I took like, it's not quite the size of a half box. The half box wouldn't fit, but this box fit perfectly. It's from the personal kit to mark that. And then that cute dumbbell is from My Newest Addiction. You'll probably see this video on a Wednesday, but I'm doing this voiceover on a Tuesday, and I just went crazy. My Newest Addiction put out a $2 Tuesday of those dumbbells, and I just bought a ton of them because I love them. I think they're so cute. Okay. Oh God, I'm talking so fast. I hate when I do this. I'm going to try and slow down and chill a little bit, but I'm moving fast. Okay, and it's getting worse. Okay, so Friday was a payday. I cut down a flag from the kit and layered a payday script from Rose Color Days like I always do. And then I went to Starbucks twice. I don't know why. I probably went in the morning and then ended up going in the afternoon again. I can't remember why, but I do know I went to Starbucks twice that day. So I marked that with a coffee cup from the kit, and again a heart from Tasseled Planner. And then I had 4 meetings on Friday. So I took a half box, and then the laptop is from the kit, but again, I just like to cut a lot of her scripts off, and just use the icon. I did the same thing, with that nail polish nail polish sticker. I cut the script off to mark that I painted my nails. I love that Essie bottle. I think it's just like the cutest thing. And then, this part gets, this part gets a little messy. So I'll kind of try and explain. I ended up cutting out a lot of it, but I still kind of rearranged things. So Steven and I went on a date at a restaurant, a really cute kind of like whiskey bar / like gastropub restaurant. It was very fun. We had a great time. So I took a sticky note from the kit, and that foiled date night sticker is from White Deer Stationery. And then we came back afterwards and we watched the Fire Festival documentary on Netflix, which was so good, and I 10 out of 10 recommend it. I remember when the Fire Festival stuff was happening on social media, and I've seen articles about it and stuff since and been like, oh my God, wow, what happened? Like, that was a mess. But then actually sitting down and watching the documentary, I was like, this is amazing. And I don't really watch a whole lot of TV or movies. You probably hear me say that. I would rather watch a plan with me, honestly, or just like play in my planner. But we came back and watched it. So I tried to like layer that here, but it got, she has these like they're kind of almost like little thing size stickers, in her kits now, but they're like whited out, and I layered it with a, Magic Prince Co. Like play button, but it just looked way too busy. So I was like, you know what, I'll just, like, Saturday was a pretty lazy day. So I'll just add it on Saturday and keep Friday looking like not too crazy crowded. So that's what I ended up doing. And then right now I am just kind of spacing out the full boxes and the headers on Saturday and Sunday. I think I ended up cutting out a little bit of not on purpose, but I just, I can't think of how you say it when you like, oh gosh, when you're filming and it doesn't capture your hands. What is that called? There's a word for it. Okay, I can't remember. Okay, on Saturday we slept in, and then we watched a couple episodes of Mrs. Maisel that morning. So it was just kind of really nice lazy morning, and I marked it with a quarter box, and then that's like sleep-in pillow is from My Newest Addiction. And then I marked that I filmed a plan with me. That clapboard thing is from Magic Prince Co. And then I went grocery shopping, and I used a label from the kit, and then a grocery cart sticker from Paper Muse Crafts. And then I actually went grocery shopping a couple times this weekend because I wanted to go to I wanted different things at different stores. It was one of those weekends where I was feeling like fancy and I needed different things from different stores. Okay, we also had takeout. We got like tacos takeout that night, which was actually really good. And I marked that with a half box, and then that utensil sticker is from Sticky Sloth Designs. But yeah, it was a pretty lazy day. Sunday, we kind of went and did more errands. We went shopping, so I marked that with a half box from the kit, and those shoes are also deco from the kit. And then we went to Trader Joe's. So I used, again, like I said, I went to 2 different grocery stores this weekend, so I used another grocery cart sticker from Paper Muse Crafts. And then I'm marking my meal prep that I almost always do on Sunday. I didn't do it this week, and I'm telling you, it's throwing my entire week off. So I used a flag kind of arrow sticker from the personal kit, and then that apron sticker is from Paper Blush Bar. And then I'm marking that I edited the plan with me that I had filmed the day before. Oh wait, am I not marking it? Well, okay, I'm marking right here. I'm marking that I went and had a pedicure appointment. I actually really like how I wrote that out. It was super cute. And the nail spa that I went to was super cute also. I tried a new one, and it was very worth it. And then that nail polish is from Fox and Pip. I don't think she makes it anymore, though, and that makes me really sad. The editing the plan with me sticker, by the way, was from Planning Like a Pro, which, again, I have a coupon code for her. And then I'm so sorry for the lighting on this. I was trying to get, like, a good foil shot, and I don't know how, but I ended up filming it at sunset, and I was like, this is fine. You can see the foil. It works. And then I uploaded this on my computer, and it's a disaster, so I'm so sorry about that. But this is the week. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys. Bye.